feel so bad. Oh no, I feel so bad. I gave the child an example of what not to do. Well, I did what was okay. I went slow. And he's on a scooter, bro. He put his whole foot down. I showed a kid what not to do. Don't try me, bro. Dang it. I hate that bike. It's so fast. Oh. Hold on. What are you done here? No. Oh my God. You won't tell a thing to him. One thing. So fast. But he's done here. Okay, can you pull over? I want some water. I was just trying to keep what not to do.
What was that?
So I was going very slow, and I was actually fine. I went for a puddle. He was on a scooter, bro. The scooter stopped in the middle.
You're stuck in the puddle.
He had to put his foot down.
Oh no.
I feel so bad for that mother. I made this kid put the foot down.
Now what would you do if I didn't have water?
Check out one of those.
No, not a bad answer. Make sure you check if I've got water next time.
Okay.
When I ask you, do you have everything? Say yep, and say, oh, do you have water? Okay. Oh God, there's the kid tip in front of you. You better touch your wheel. Yeah, we should run him over, bro. I don't know, I used the train. It's pretty obvious answer, bro. Give me a harder question. Dude, if you break right now, I'm dead, bro. Don't break, you idiot! That's it? Yeah. I didn't use it before.
Feels good, bro. I'll be safe, extra safe. That, bro. Why did you not go through the puddle? Why did you not go through? It was really fun. What?
So you know metal rust, right?
Yeah, bro.
So you have difference with water, so you don't have to dry the dry wheel, or when they rust, clean the rust off.
But what if I just drive really fast and just get the water?
No, well kind of, I might air dry a little bit, and there'll still be some moisture there.
that's white then.
But you've got bigger tyres than I do, so you probably have an easy time. Like, you probably can go through the water. Whereas
Yeah.
if I go through the water, mine will get wet quicker.
I done that like super fast once. Nothing happened, bro. No rust. I thought I probably have fat tire, big boy tire. Like, what's this, bro? Look where the water goes when I go in here. I was supposed to have to do that. And I'm fine. There's some dirt. Oh my gosh, now we're dead.
Let's have a look with you.
Yeah, I'll go very slow.
Sorry.
It's all good. It looks satisfying. Dang it. Idiot! I was trying to cut you off! Hang on in front, bro. Hang on in front, Labrewskis. Oh, Labrewski might be out. Labrewski, don't do it! Yes, good job, Labrewski. Oh my gosh, Labrewski was really dead there. No way, Labrewski. Ah. Fast, boy, fast. Ain't catching up to this thing. Can't tell me. Oh man. That's what we have to go through. Done. Si señor. Oh. There he goes. Water? I'll take some. That was cool. Wow, I went try hard. Went real try hard. You know, I wish I had a couple right here. That'd be nice. Maybe next Christmas.
Maybe it's birthday 2023.
We start getting birthdays ahead of me. That would be just sad to forget, and then we're like, my friends are like,